This is a demo of XLab Hospital Management System. These are the following systems we have been incorporated in this system: wards and beds, inventory management, scheduling system, expenses. It's a button for just minimizing, close button, pharmacy management, and services. So let's check out XLab patient admission. This is a basic form where you can add a patient. This is a control panel from which we can administer the whole system. This is a control panel for admin, and this is control panel for an user. Of course, this is the control panel how look like for an user. From the left list we can see all the forms, that is all the total entry in the hospital system already done by this admin or this user. If we click a particular form, we can see how many patients have been enlisted in that particular form already. We can edit, delete, add new entry, view more, and change the password from this control panel. Let's edit one. As you can see, this user doesn't have any privilege. All the privileges of this particular form is listed here. This user has his only privilege of adding new entry to this form. So let's give privilege from the admin panel. This is how an admin control panel looks like. This control panel is only for the admin. From here you can see all the patients that has been totally admitted or have been enlisted in the hospital system. If a patient ID is clicked, this list will show where the patient has been, what patient forms has been entered already. This is a panel of an employee details. It actually shows all the employee that has been currently working in the hospital system. Let's first see, if we click an employee, these are the user privileges form of that particular employee. If we click a particular employee, we can see what are the privileges already been given, and we can edit that privilege as per our use. You can see these privileges have been edited already. So let's keep this user privilege of all kind. And this list here enlist all the other forms that has been in the total hospital system, and we can add more privileges as per our wish. We can also remove one privilege and the list will update it. You can see the particular form is gone. As we see, we have given this user to edit privilege for this particular form. We can see the privileges here. So let's edit one. Select the patient ID and just click delete. This is a form of an hospital system, and it has been opened in an edit mode. We can see all the previous entry. We can change the edit as per our need and save it back. The new entry is been edited already. This is the form opening in view mode. We can see what has been changed. You can see here, and this is the entry. From this menu we can add a particular ward or bed From this form we can add a new word. Just click here, put the word name, word number will be automatically assigned, put the bit rent here, just click add. The new word is already been added. As you can see, there is no patient in this word already, as it is a new, and also no bed has been allotted to this word. So let's add some bed to that word. Bed description. As a new bed is added, we can see a new bed is been added and allotted to male word that has been added just new. From here we can add different type of items to our inventory. Give the item name. Item type and the item department. Click add item. Item will be added. Now the item is added, we have to purchase that item. The item name ceiling fan is already here. Put the batch number and so on. বন্ধ করুন স্যার, এগুলো সব রেকর্ড হয়ে গেল। As the item is added, we can see the item come in the requisition. The user can send requisition for the item as per their need. From this menu, we can select the item we have been already in inventory and see the requisition. If we click here, if any requisition has been sent, it will be shown here, and we can issue or send the buy button as per our need. This project is a huge project. It is already under development, and most of the development is already completed yet. This project can run under LAN or any network, but only a few demo of the total project is shown today. Thank you.